Howdy, Wall Street Willie. What is the coupon rate of a bond? A bond's coupon rate is the annual interest paid to the bondholder by the issuer, expressed as a percentage of the bond's face value. It is determined when the bond is first issued and usually remains constant throughout the life of the bond. What is yield? Yield is the rate of return a bond generates. Current yield is the annual coupon payment expressed as a percentage of the current market price of the bond. It fluctuates as the price of the bond changes. Yield to maturity, or YTM, is the average return of the bond over its remaining lifetime. This takes into account all coupon payments, as well as the difference between the bond's purchase price and its face value at maturity. How is yield different from coupon rate? Coupon rate represents the fixed annual interest rate that the bond issuer pays. Yield represents the actual rate of return for the bondholder. When the bond is first issued, coupon rate and yield are the same since the market value is equal to the face value of the bond. Coupon rate remains fixed throughout the life of the bond, but yield changes as the market value of the bond changes. So if you buy a bond at a discount, the yield will be higher than its coupon rate. On the other hand, if you buy the bond at a premium, its yield will be lower than its coupon rate. Which is more useful? Although coupon rate is important, yield is a more accurate metric of what an investor can earn by purchasing a bond. The coupon rate tells what's promised at the time of issuing, but the yield tells what an investor can actually earn. If an investor buys a bond at the time of issue and holds it until maturity, coupon rate is the only thing that matters. Yield can fluctuate throughout the life of the bond, but it will have no impact on the investor. But for anyone seeking capital appreciation, buying bonds from the secondary market at a price different from face value, or selling it before maturity, yield is what matters since it is a more accurate measure of their actual returns. Yield can also be used to compare the returns across bonds. The one with a higher yield is the better investment. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.